Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl Debbie from Dongayard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're new to my channel, thank you for making it West Indian delights. Now, I'm just gonna do for you today just a simple little dessert, and you might just want to put this on your Valentine little, dinner table or something, or whatever, brunch or whatever table. I am doing for you today Rummy Nutty Banana Cupcakes. Rummy Nutty Banana Cupcakes. Just want to do something a little bit different. Want to take you away from this whole red velvet cake and red velvet cupcake. It's just all over the place and it just get too much. So I just want to be a little different. Okay? Now what we're going to need, but I'll list for you in the description the proportionate amount of things. We're going to use some G sugar and we're going to use some shortening. We're using 2 eggs. We're using some baking powder, some baking soda. We're using a little fruits, spices, powdered spices, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, mixed spice. We're using some crushed peanuts. We're using half a cup of plain milk. Use the milk of your choice, whether you want to do whole milk, 2% milk, whatever almond milk, use your milk of choice. We're using some vanilla and we're using some molasses and a pinch of rum. Now, the rum, if you're serving it to kids, you might just want to omit the rum. But for adults, don't worry about the alcohol content, because the alcohol will be reduced to next to nothing during the baking process. And I think I've said that to you. During baking, the heat kills the alcohol for almost nothing. So you just have that little gig, not anything to like turn you over. Okay? What I'm going to do, I'm going to, off camera, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cream my shortening with my G sugar. These are something they're just going to melt. Sorry, this is going to melt in your mouth. From you look at the ingredients, shortening, G sugar, and all of that, it's just going to melt right in your mouth. Okay? So, I'm going to cream my shortening with my G sugar. Right back. Okay, so you're going to cream for probably about 4 to 5 minutes on a medium speed until you see it looking almost something like frosting. Okay, something looking like this. We have 2 eggs, and I left this to show you. I've never said this to you before. Right in camera, girl. When the eggs of something, this is called, I think it's the eye or whatever. I'm not sure. The eye is not the scientific name, but you'd want to try it. When you see it makes up bright up, you just want to take it, remove it. So there were some more, and I took them out, but I left this one to show you. We always take them out in the older days, but nowadays people don't. But if you see them looking too bright, you can remove it. So we're going to put in these 2. It's supposed to be 1 large egg. If your eggs are large, you don't use more than 1. But mine are small, so you'd want to use 2. So we're going to get this all incorporated. Come back. And yes, fam, I should have said to you before, this is just cupcake, so it doesn't take a long time. So you would want before, or even right now, to preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees if you're on Fahrenheit. Because this cupcake, and it doesn't take a long time. And you want to have your mixture looking something like this. Remember, while you are doing those beating and mixing, you are supposed to be scraping around the sides. Now, if you're hearing anything on in the background, it's my fan. I've got to keep myself cool. You're going to need some flour. So I'm going to put my flour in here, and I'm going to sieve out all my dry ingredients. Okay? So this is all that I have. I'm supposed to be using some salt, but the nuts that I'm using is a bit salty. If you have unsalted nuts, go ahead. So I will not add the salt until I reach the finishing where everything is incorporated, and if I need a little salt, I will put it. But since I'm using the salted nut, I will not. I'm going to sieve. Remember, I told you to sieve right through your dry ingredients. It makes your finished product more lighter. It traps hair. While sieving, it traps hair in there, and it becomes more lighter, more tasteable, and all of that. So we're sieving out with dry ingredients, and remember, I told you I will link for you in the description everything that you're gonna need. Okay, all done. Goes down around the side of the pan, and we're going to start cutting and folding in. Yes, it's going to be dry, but we'll get it all when we reach where we want it. So we're gonna, while cutting. So we're going to finish cutting this and come back. Okay, you cut till you have something looking like a coarse cornmeal. Now you're gonna use your milk. Gonna pour in your milk. You're gonna also at this point add your mashed ripe bananas. And if you have bananas that has been on your countertop and they are getting like freckled or anything, they're not spoiled, you can always peel and freeze them. And then when you're ready, you can use it. Okay? So this is what we have right at this point. So we're going to get this, all of this now incorporated. We have a little fruits here. We're going to dump it right in. Whether you want to use fresh fruits or you want to use some that was left back from Christmas, the more the merrier. We're going to put in a little vanilla. A little vanilla to taste. Not too much because we don't want to get this thing all runny. We're going to put in a little pinch of white rum. Not any red rum. Not a lot. Okay? We just want that little rum flavor. And remember, I told you, the heat will almost kill everything. The color is a bit on the whiter side. If you don't have molasses, you can use a little brownie. We're going to put in a little molasses just to change the color a bit. And I think that should do the trick. We're going to incorporate and then we're going to see what the color we have. Still on the cutting and the folding. Still on the cutting and folding. Yes, this look like, this is the nice color. We're going to put in our nut right now. Put in enough nuts to your liking. If you want it more crunchy and you want to taste a lot of nuts, go right ahead. So we're going to incorporate everything now. I hope we have put in. And this, look at the beauty of this batter. Look, this is the color you want to have it. Still on the cutting and the folding. We want to taste now. Look at it. This is the fluffiness of it. So you want to taste just on your fingertips like this. Yes, we want a pinch of salt. We do want a pinch of salt. So we're going to put probably about 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Because it had asked for 1/2 teaspoon. And the nuts add a little salt. So we are going to put 1/4 teaspoon. We don't have to taste again because I know that will be more than good. Okay? That's it. Now you're going to need your muffin, cupcake, or whatever you want to call it. Fam, I've got a lot of these. I'm using what I find. I haven't done anything like this for the longest while. These this cupcake, this muffin hour, they're smaller than the cupcake liners I have, but so I'm gonna use it. Okay, so you do what you have, because I have not been baking, family, for the longest while. You preheat your oven to 175, remember, Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit. Now you want to fill it up with your cupcake things. Use whatever pleases you. If you want to use the ice cream scoop, whatever pleases you, and make sure when you're in here you don't have anything. You have to try to mix it out. So we're going to fill out these. Let me fill one and show you, because it takes a little time and you want to do it good. So you tick up like this and you use your hand to guide it, not to make too much of a mess. And remember, you're going to fill the liners up to 3/4, right? Probably something like this, because you want them coming up fluffy and nice and come up full up the top and have that nice plump at the top. So we're going to finish filling them out. Return. Okay, now we have all our cups are all filled. What you want to do at this point, you want to try to be accurate. You know, you're not going to be 100% because you're not a machine or anything, or a computer or something like that. But you want to look over your cupcakes and the mixture and to see if everybody is almost at the same level. If not, some will be a little more higher than some, which is not a problem. Okay? So you don't have to be slamming down or anything. Just as they are, you put them in the oven. The heat will take care of them and level them off as soon as they start to baking, the heat will take care of every single thing. You don't have to be slamming down or anything. Now we're going into our oven. 18 to 20 minutes for these, okay? Not more. They should be baked within that time period or that time frame, as if you have just followed all the instructions that I give you. So you're gonna put them right there side by side. You're gonna gently close your oven and set your oven for the most 20 minutes, okay y'all? And remember, they are cupcakes. If they do not wait until the timer goes off, you need to check them. And you do just the same as we do. Pull them out, use a toothpick, pop into one. If it's baked, it's cool, it's fine. Because it's supposed to bake within 20 minutes. So don't wait until the timer goes off. It can bake from between 15 to 20 minutes. Now this batter, when I put the amount, when I put the proportionate ingredients in the description, all of this batter would yield you one banana bread size of like this tin. I think this is 13 by 9. Yes, I think so. 13 centimeters. I'm not sure, somewhere there about. But this size, it should yield you one banana. If you don't want to put it in the cake tin, in the cupcake tins, you're supposed to yield. It leaves you one of this, just the size of the carrot cake. We have some left back. If you want, you can scrape it and freeze it. If you want and you have more tins like I do, I'll be finishing off these off camera. So within another 15 to 20 minutes, we'll come back to look at the finished product. No, yes fam, sorry, not no, yes no fam. My timer just went off and mine were in there for 18 minutes, huh? Okay. Wow, heat is still there. So you want to test now. These are cupcakes, remember, to the middle, just to the middle. Clean, clean. And you don't have to test everything. Remember, this is your protective gear against the oven. If you don't put it on, this is what the oven will do to your hand, okay? Remember to use your mittens, and the taller ones especially. When you're going in the oven, you don't use those little ones that come right there. Those are like mostly for pot holders. Be careful, y'all. Be careful with the oven. Okay, so we are out. Let me just close that. Oops, let me just close that oven. So we are out. You gotta be careful, they are still hot. So you want to put them onto a wire rack in the muffin tin to stay there and to properly cool. Another way of testing is to put your finger, and it's when you press it, you have to press it and it will spring back. It springs right back. Once it springs right back, it's okay. Spring back, it's baked. Now look at the beauty of the finished product. Remember how I put the camera upon me. I said to you, when you put them in the tin, you don't have to go slamming. You saw what I did. I did not slam. They have all been baked and they're almost like accurate. Everybody's almost the same size. Now what you want to do, these will take some time, so you leave them in the muffin tin on the wire rack for probably another 15 minutes. Then you will come back, remove them from the muffin tin and put them directly on the wire rack and leave them to cool. Now, this is the end of this video as it is right here. We ain't gonna serve it to you, but if you're still subscribed and your notification is on, we're gonna decorate them for you in the video following this one. So if you want to do, you'd like to see that and you have not yet subscribed, you might want to do so just now. You might want to share this video and you're going to leave your comments below. Now I go pop Tori Guno Camera Girl Cooks, but it's been uploaded, or it's been uploaded to the Jamaican Debbie Dabs. So if you want to see Camera Girl get popping in the kitchen, you're going to get right on over and you're going to get yourself subscribe to the Jamaican Debbie Dabs, okay? And remember to turn your notification on. Camera Girl gets popping, baby, in the kitchen. Remember, man, Rummy, Nutty, banana cupcakes. Debbie from down a yard, stick and stay for the decoration. Bless.